NTW is an initiative by HRD Corp introduced in 2023 to offer free training sessions and activity led by the local industrial player with the objective at empowering and upskilling the knowledge of Malaysians. Additionally, this initiative helps to promote lifelong learning and foster collaboration among industrials, companies, and individuals. What makes us different from other training providers? Other training providers provide a half day or just a 2-hour Zoom sessions. For us to promote Envolve Alliance training methodology, we decided to do slightly different from what we did last year. Last year, Envolve Alliance participated and offered a 1-day complimentary workshop to the public. In 2024, I plan to do something different by organizing a full 2 days workshop. I managed to engage Aaron and Mel, whereby 3 of us share the same objective to help our fellow peers in HR. Participants will experience our workshop as a real immersive event and will become familiar with the training methodology of Envolve Alliance. We hope to see you again in NTW 2025.